Hello friends, myself Kaka Said Jadhav. Friends, now we are starting the syllabus of 10th, that is mathematics. Before starting this, it is must to understand the outline of question paper, means the pattern of question paper, how the questions are asked and the weightage of those questions in our question paper. Okay friends, so for this it is must we have to see the distribution of marks. Friends, the mathematics is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. So the marks are given the first 10 marks for each paper, that is for MCQ or practicals. 10 marks for part 1 and 10 marks for part 2. Now, the written paper of each paper, that is for 40 marks. 40 marks for part 1 and 40 marks for part 2. In this way, the part 1 has 50 marks and part 2 has 50 marks. So the total marks for mathematics, that is 100. Okay friends. Now the outline of the question paper. In outline, friends, the total questions in each part, that is for part 1 or part 2, there are 6 questions, and the question number 1 is totally based on the previous knowledge, means the syllabus of 9th standard. Syllabus of 9th standard. Okay? So, in this syllabus, there are the part A of this question and part B of this question. In part A, there are 4 questions, total 6 questions. You have to solve 4 for 4 marks, 1 mark for each. And in part B, there are 3 questions, out of which we have to solve the 2 questions. Means what? The 4 marks for part A and 4 marks for part B. So there are marks with option are 6 for A and 6 for B. Means marks, essential compulsory marks are 8 and marks with option are 12. Okay? So friends, this is our question first, which is totally based on the previous knowledge, means on the syllabus of the 9th standard. Now come for the next question, that is question number 2. Question number 2 to 6 are totally based on the syllabus of 10th standard. So friends, the question number second A, there are 4 questions. We have to solve each and every question from this section A, each question for 1 mark. There are total 4 marks and with option also 4 marks. Now in question number 2B, we have to solve 3 questions. We have to solve 3 questions, each for 3 questions are given. We solve 2 and each question for 2 marks. There are the compulsory 4 marks and with option 6 marks. Okay? Now friends, the question number 3A. This is the totally activity based question. Means activities are given and we complete those activities. for this, friends, total 3 activities are given. Total 3 activities are given. Out of these 3 activities, we have to solve only 2, each for 2 marks. So the marks are 4 and marks with option are 6. Okay. Now friends, see the question number 3rd B. Solve any 2 out of 3 questions, sub-questions, and each question for 2 marks. Means there are 4 marks and with option there are 6 marks. Okay. Means we solve only 2 in this section. Okay. So the total marks are 6 and essential mark compulsory are 4. Okay. Now come for the question number 4. In the question number 4, 4 sub questions are given and we solve the 3. Each question for 3 marks. Means we solve 3 questions for the total 9 marks and marks with option are 12. Okay. Now the next question, that is question number 5. We solve 1 question out of 2 sub questions and it is for 4 marks. 1 for 4 marks means compulsory marks are 4 and marks with option are 8. Okay. We solve only 1 question. Okay. Now last question number, that is question number 6. We solve 1 question out of 2 and the mark for each are 3 marks. So compulsory marks are 3 and marks with option are 6. Okay. Marks with option are 6. In this way, the total paper, that is compulsory paper for the 40 marks and its paper is with option, that is for the 60 marks. Means the total paper is given of 60 marks, out of which we obtain 40 marks. Okay. This is the part 1 and part 2. The 60 are the marks with option and 40 are compulsory. Okay. So this is the part 1st and part 2nd also. Part 1st plus part 2nd. Okay. For part 1st, that is 40 marks, and part 2nd there is also 40 marks. In this way, there are total 80 marks for the written exam and 10 for each part, that is 20 for MCQ or practical. There are total 100 marks. Okay friends, we stop here for the outline of the question paper for the mathematics part 1 and part 2 also. Okay, thank you.